For 3 years, I made the same mistake every time I spoke English, and nobody told me. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what I was doing wrong, and the 5 fixes that finally made me fluent. Stay till the end, because mistake number 3 is the one almost everyone makes, and you probably don't even know you're doing it. Welcome back to English Direction. If you're new here, I'm on a real journey, learning to speak fluent English, and taking you with me. I'm not a perfect English teacher. I'm someone who struggled, just like you, and I'm sharing everything I learn along the way. Here's the truth. Most people don't stay stuck in English because they lack words. They stay stuck because of 5 silent mistakes that quietly kill their confidence. I made every single one of them. And if even one of these sounds like you, this video could save you years. Mistake number 1. I used to think in my own language first, then translate every sentence into English before speaking. This made me slow, and I would lose confidence in the middle of a sentence. Here's the fix. I started thinking in simple English directly. Not big words, just simple thoughts, like I am hungry or I want to go. Small sentences, direct thinking. Within weeks, my speed doubled. Mistake number 2. I waited. I told myself, once my grammar is perfect, I'll start speaking. That day never came. The fix? I started speaking messy, broken English from day one, with mistakes, with pauses, and I let myself feel uncomfortable. Fluency doesn't come before speaking. It comes from speaking. And here it is, mistake number 3, the one I promised you. I was learning words, but never learning how those words actually sound when native speakers connect them together. In real speech, want to becomes wanna. Going to becomes gonna. I was studying textbook English, but real people don't talk like a textbook. The fix. I stopped just reading, and started listening. Every single day, I listened to real conversations, podcasts, and videos, not to study grammar, but just to get used to the natural rhythm. Mistake number 4. I was scared of people laughing at my accent or my mistakes. So I avoided speaking in front of anyone. The fix. I recorded myself speaking, alone, every day. Just me and my phone camera. No judgment, no audience. Once I got comfortable hearing my own voice, speaking in front of others became so much easier. And the final mistake. I was learning randomly. One day grammar, next day new words, no plan, no routine. The fix. I built a simple daily habit, 10 new sentences, spoken out loud, every single day. Not memorized, spoken out loud, with meaning. That small routine is what actually built fluency, not random effort. So let's go over it quickly. Stop translating in your head. Stop waiting to be ready. Listen to real, natural speech, not just textbooks. Record yourself daily. And build a simple, steady routine. These 5 fixes are exactly what changed everything for me. Now I want to know, which of these 5 mistakes are you making right now? Comment the number below, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. I read every single comment, and I will personally reply with a tip for you. If this video helped you, hit subscribe, because tomorrow, we start day 2 of our journey, and it's going to get even more practical. Remember, fluency isn't about being perfect. It's about being consistent, even when it's uncomfortable. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep speaking, keep making mistakes, and keep going. See you soon.